Hello. Are you a startup founder or the managing director of an SME? Do you want to align strategy, people and their performance? Do you want to establish a clear line of sight between corporate, team and individual performance? Are you looking for ways to promote and establish accountability and ownership in your organization? Or do you want a powerful participatory leadership instrument? If one or more of these topics are on your mind and on your agenda, we have a training for you to make it happen. My name is Michael Kobiena and I have been working with a wide range of organizations over the past 25 years. I have worked on performance management systems both as an HR manager as well as a consultant with a variety of organizations. In this course on OKRs, you will find relevant tools and materials to devise your own approach to goal setting and OKRs. By the end of this course, you will understand the role and purpose of OKRs in strategy implementation, communication and performance management, OKRs as an instrument of participatory leadership. You will know how to align team, individual and corporate performance. You will know how OKRs differ from other more traditional performance management approaches, and you will learn about key concepts, objectives, key results, key performance indicators and targets. And you understand how to integrate OKRs with other essential people practices. You will have lifetime access to all course materials, including training videos, templates and guides. You can email your Konsultori trainer with your questions at any time. Ready to save time with a great online course? I invite you to join Konsultori.